Hey, I want to welcome you to my newest listing, 7684 Alamosa Creek in the southwest part of the valley. It's a two-story home with 4 bedrooms and a large den. One of the bedrooms is downstairs with a full bath, which is a huge selling point for a lot of people. It's walking distance to Sierra Vista High School and 5 minutes away from freeway access, shopping, restaurants, and major hospitals. If you have any questions about the property or would like to see it, let me know.